Hello, welcome to CuriousDIY. My name is Aiden, and in this video I'll be going through the cucumber pickle kit with you. So, if you have your box, get it ready. It's got some green packaging for those of you who maybe have a few lying around. So this is what we are going to be going through today. So I'll be in this video showing you the contents of the box and sending you on the way to making an awesome pickling business. So, let's get stuck in. Alright, great. Well, let's take a look at the cucumber pickle kit. Let's see what it's got inside. So we're going to start off by pulling off the shrink wrap material. A little bit of ASMR there. Here we go. So, inside your cucumber pickle kit, you should find the following. Let's take a look. There we go. So we have got our jar with a little bit of tape on it just to prevent leaking on the way to you. Just make sure that you get all the vinegar you need. We've got some celery seeds. We have got some sugar, a little bit of sugar, a nice bag of sugar, a large elastic, 2 5 by 10 centimeter labels. We've got a project guidebook. This is going to be very important for you guys to go through slowly. We've got a piece of cloth. Oh, it's busy hiding a sticker though. We have a curious sticker, a piece of cloth. Pardon me, you've got 2 large elastics. Look at that, isn't that cool? Here we've got 2 small elastics. This is going to be a little tag for you to be able to label your pickles. And finally, a little bit of salt. Alright, so one last thing inside your box will be the recipe. This is going to be how you are going to go about making your cucumber pickles. So what you must do is follow this recipe to the T, and once you are finished, you will have a jar of pickles ready to sit and ferment over a bit of time. So let's put this to the side for now. Let's take a look at the business plan and logo guide. So this is going to be a nice second part of your project where you can have an entrepreneurship side of things. So here is a business plan, top to bottom, including the name of your company, some mission statements, target markets, costs, and what you need in terms of capital, as well as a marketing and sales plan. And then even at the back, some branding and logo development, which will be very important for the visual side of your cucumber pickle kit. Alright, so for my pickles, I have decided to go with the Curious logo as my branding. You, however, must create your own brand based on the business plan and logo design guide. And on the front with the white label, I have put the Curious sticker here, but what you can do is put your sticker to the side if you'd like, and then on the white label just write the date that you packaged it, and then according to the recipe, the date which would be good for you to then harvest it. And then using a small elastic, you're going to just wrap the cloth over the lid just to create a nice little package. And that is what your cucumbers can sit in the fridge to sit and ferment. Or should you be able to sell these, this will be a nice little thing to give to your customers. It's a nice little package altogether. So remember, your logo must go here, your logo must go on the tag. Perhaps if you want to put the packaging date on the tag and then just your branding over here without any of the Curious stickers, that's totally fine. Do your own thing. It's your company and it's your business. You must do it. Alright, enjoy the cucumber pickle kit, and I hope that they taste really good on your samis for the next few weeks. Cheers!
Thanks for watching and stay curious.